Welcome to LED Insiders. Today, we're diving into the future of living, home automation. From smart lights to AI-driven assistants, let's explore how homes are becoming intelligent. Home automation is the use of technology to control and automate household systems, like lighting, appliances, climate control, and security, with little or no human intervention. With automation, you can control devices via smartphone apps, schedules, sensors, or even your voice. It's all about comfort, convenience, energy savings, and security. Home automation systems are built on communication protocols like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Bluetooth. Devices connect to a central hub or work independently through cloud platforms. A motion sensor detects movement in your hallway at night. It sends a signal to your smart light. The light turns on automatically. That's automation. Simple, smart, and seamless. Main components of a smart home. A basic smart home system includes smart lighting, control brightness, colors, and schedules via app or voice, smart switches and dimmers, retrofit solution for existing lights, smart security cameras, get real-time footage on your phone, voice assistants, Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, smart thermostats, optimize temperature and energy usage, smart locks and sensors, know who's coming and going. You can integrate everything using platforms like Google Home, Amazon, Alexa, Apple. HomeKit, Home Assistant, for pros and DIY enthusiasts. Benefits of home automation, checkmark. Energy savings, turn off lights or AC when not in use. Enhanced security, get alerts and monitor remotely. Convenience, set schedules, scenes, or use voice commands. Accessibility, great for the elderly or differently abled. Real-world example. Imagine this. You wake up, your blinds open slowly, coffee starts brewing, and your bathroom lights turn on gently. At night, with a single command, movie mode, your lights dim, curtains close, and your TV turns on with Netflix ready.